Welcome to the Creating Sabisu Pipelines training video. To get the most out of this content, we recommend that you first watch our videos entitled What are Pipelines and Sabisu Go. The first step in creating a pipeline is to choose the output. This could be a table, chart, or a Sabisu template. We're going to choose a chart. Once you've done this, you will need to choose your SDO, or Sabisu Data Object. An SDO is a mechanism through which we pull data in the platform. This could be from Sabisu Go, Sabisu Actions, Sabisu Flow, a data historian, or really any data source. Each of these work in a slightly different way, but once you've mastered one, you'll find the others easy to use. For this video, we'll choose Sabisu Go. We then get a list of all of the publications sent to Sabisu via Sabisu Go. Choose the one that you want and then click on it to see the raw data. Here you can see the data that is being pulled from your publication. If the column headers are not in the right place, you can switch them around at this stage. You can apply filters to the data so that you're only pulling the data that you want. You do this by simply clicking the column and adding the filters that you would like. You can add as many filters as you want. Once you're happy with the data, click Next. On this page, you can add in more data sources if you want to join two sets of data from different places. If you need any help with this, please get in touch by emailing us at hello@sabisu.co. Click Next if you're happy with the data that you have. On this screen, you can add in some custom columns. We have a few options here. We could start with some basic maths. If we select this option, we'll see the tags that we have available. We can also type in the calculation that we'd like. If we give it a name, this is what will appear in the table. We have some other options as well. In functions, you'll find some of our predefined calculations, such as accumulate. If we don't enter a column name, it will give us a warning. We also have the option to add in some analytics. If you'd like some more information on these, then just check out the pages on our wiki. You can add as many custom columns as you like, and you can also use the custom columns in further calculations. All of our custom columns will appear to the right-hand side of our raw data. We also have a pivot function available. This allows you to group your data and is similar to the functionality found in Excel. Simply drag and drop the fields as desired. Click Next when you finish configuring your data. We have 10 chart types available for you to choose. Pick the one that best suits your needs. We'll select a column chart here. If we change our mind, we can change the chart type using this button. We can add a chart name. We can also label the axes if required. We can also change the location of the chart legend. On the right-hand side, you can change each column of data by changing the axis or stacking group, and even the chart type. This can be useful if you want a multi-purpose chart, such as a column chart with a line. Once you have your chart configured, click Finish. You can either deploy the chart you've just made straight to a page, or we can add some other items such as a table. If this is what you want to do, then just click No on the pop-up. We're going to add another item, and this time we'll add a table. You can base the new item on the data and calculations you've previously used. We're going to use the same data we used for the chart. This copies across the data, the pivot, and any calculations that we added. Because we've done this, we can skip all of the calculation and data source steps and go straight to creating the table. On this screen, you can choose the columns of data you want. We can also rearrange them. Click Create Table. You can now configure each column individually. We can give the table a name, and if we want to edit a column, we simply select it. Then we can change the name of the column, we can change the column width, if it's numerical data, then we can control the number of decimal places that are shown. We also have the option to add in some conditional formatting. This allows us to control the background and text color based on certain conditions that we configure. When you're ready, click Finish. You will then be given the option to deploy the table to the page. We want to deploy both of these items together, so we're going to use the Pipeline Deploy button. Here we can select the workplace and page we would like. And there we go, our data on a page in the platform. That's everything for now, but there's lots of other videos available on our wiki to help you on your way. If you'd like some further training, just get in touch by dropping us an email at training@sabisu.co. Thanks for watching.